The 2026 GMC Savana van continues to stand as a dependable workhorse in the full-size van segment, staying true to its reputation for durability, strength, and practicality. Rather than chasing modern styling trends or luxury-focused upgrades, the Savana focuses on delivering reliable performance and flexible configurations that meet the real-world demands of businesses, fleet operators, and commercial users. It is offered in cargo, passenger, and cutaway forms, allowing buyers to choose a version that best suits their operational needs, whether that involves hauling equipment, transporting people, or serving as the foundation for specialized conversions. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana relies on proven powertrains designed for longevity and heavy-duty use. The standard 4.3-liter V6 engine provides solid horsepower and torque, making it well-suited for daily hauling and city driving, while the available 6.6-liter V8 offers significantly more muscle for towing and carrying heavier loads. Paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the Savana delivers confident performance even when fully loaded. Its towing capability remains one of its strongest attributes, making it a dependable option for businesses that regularly pull trailers, equipment, or utility loads. Cargo capacity is a major highlight of the Savana. The cargo van variant offers a spacious, boxy interior designed to maximize usable space. With a flat-load floor that simplifies loading and unloading, extended wheelbase versions provide generous room for large tools, packages, or equipment, while multiple door configurations, including rear swing-out doors and optional side doors, improve accessibility in tight work environments. The passenger version, on the other hand, is capable of seating up to 15 occupants, making it ideal for shuttle services, group transport, or organizations that need to move people efficiently and safely. Inside the cabin, the 2026 GMC Savana prioritizes function over flair. The interior design is straightforward and durable, using hard-wearing materials that can withstand years of demanding use. Controls are simple and easy to reach, helping drivers stay focused on the road. Seating is designed for long hours behind the wheel, and practical features such as storage compartments and cup holders add everyday convenience. While it may not offer a luxury-style dashboard or large digital displays, the Savana's simplicity is a strength for those who value ease of maintenance and reliability. Technology in the Savana is focused on utility and safety rather than entertainment. A rear-view camera comes standard, helping drivers maneuver the van more confidently in tight spaces. Available connectivity and fleet management features allow business owners to monitor vehicle health, maintenance schedules, and performance, which is especially valuable for large fleets. Optional driver assistance features such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring enhance safety and help reduce the risk of accidents during long workdays. The exterior design of the 2026 Savana remains unmistakably utilitarian. Its tall, boxy shape is intentionally designed to maximize interior volume rather than visual appeal. Subtle refinements give it a slightly more modern presence, but the overall look still emphasizes toughness and purpose. Durable body panels, practical mirrors, and optional assist steps all contribute to its work-ready nature. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana van continues to be a smart choice for buyers who need a reliable, versatile, and hardworking vehicle. It may not be the most modern or stylish van on the market, but its proven mechanical components, strong towing ability, and wide range of configurations make it a dependable tool for getting serious work done day after day.